Air conditioners. Filthy air conditioners can be dangerous. Bad for asthmatics. They say that's how we get Legionnaires. So it's important to keep your air conditioner clean. So we can actually do this very simply by opening it up, taking out the filter. I'll clean the filters in a minute. They've got a lot of dust on them, particularly for a lot of holiday parks are near main roads, so you will absorb a lot of the soot from actually the cars and the trucks going past. And you'll notice there's an awful lot of dust here. Now, what I recommend to do with the vacuum cleaner is to vacuum these filters out, so you get all the dust out of the actual area, which is the cooling part. And then to clean the outside, we take our Hara green glove, and this is going to suck all the extra dust into the fabric. And you'll see it's all coming out. Actually using two, a glove and a cloth, a Natura cloth, which is really easy to get around little corners, and it's for light dusting, the Natura cloth. But if you've got big areas, which I'm going to show you in a minute how to clean the filters, then I would recommend to use the green glove. Now when you have a really lot of dust and soot in these filters, you could actually vacuum clean them off or use the green glove. Now first I would vacuum them if they're very bad, but with the green glove it must be wet and well wrung out so you don't make a mud pie. We flatten it and we rub over the filter, and you'll be amazed that it actually will pull all the dirt into the fabric. Now because these filters are in the kitchen area, I can actually feel grease because people cook in the same kitchen as the living area. So now we have to have another solution. Just show you how we're cleaning this off right now. So all the actual dust's gone and it's on my glove.